Alright guys, we're about 6 minutes away from probably the biggest release of the year. This drop is for the Jordan 1. I'm calling them UNCs. I don't care what they calling them. I'm calling them UNCs because that's what they look like. Anyways, the release, the stock number is supposed to be Mocha-like. Now, if you guys remember the Mocha release, we did well on that release. We did extremely well on that release. Those were different times, man. Those were like the infant stages of Data Dome. So, how are we going to hit today? We're running top tier bots today. I mean, no expense has been spared. Take a look. We got Valor, as usual. We got Storm, as usual. We got Cage. We're ready. But, just in case none of that works, we've got Quokka Brew. But not just any Quokka Brew, a special Quokka Brew that I have been saving. This was the Quokka that would power us to victory on these UNC ones. Everyone, it's time. Good luck. Yo, we just checked out, I'm pretty sure. Let's go, Valor! Woo! Man, I need a size 10. Guys, so let's talk about that Jordan 1 University Blue release. Before we actually talk about the shoe, let's show it off a little bit. So take a look. Jordan 1 University Blue. This is a beautiful shoe in my opinion. I mean, honestly, suede is just so nice on this shoe. I love the colorway on it. I love the detail on the tongue right there, and then I also like the laces as well. But honestly, this is just one of my favorite Jordan 1 colorways really that's ever come out, just because I love this university Columbia blue type look. Right here, this is a size 8 that I was able to get from my local Finish Line store. This past Saturday, we checked out, including this one, we checked out 9 pairs total. But unfortunately, 8 pairs were for people that I was running slots for, and then this one was for me. I did not get a size 10 in my size, even though I was running for it. The drop was tough. A lot of people struggled, a lot of bots struggled, and once again, a lot of the residential proxy providers struggled. I was thankful that I was able to hit all my pairs with live proxies and run proxies as well. Run is not a sponsor of the channel. They're just so good that I use them anyways. I appreciate all the proxy companies that have provided me with proxies, and I'm excited that the companies that I'm partnered with are always at the top of the list and always at the top of their game. So this shoe, beautiful shoe, size 8, is going to go back there on the wall. It's going to be a long-term hold. If anyone has a size 10 that they want to throw Solestate's way here, I would certainly appreciate that, and I will definitely give you a shout out in the next video. So if you have a size 10, throw it my way, let me know. Alright guys, so there's actually another shoe that I want to talk about here in this video. If you guys can see behind me, you already know what it is, and I changed up the camera angle just a little bit. Let's take a look at this. This is a Jordan 1 mid in a size 5Y. It is the Jordan 1 mid in the chili colorway. This shoe has been doing very good on the resale market, and as you guys can see behind me, I've been able to get a lot of pairs in the past week, and all of these are being shipped out to one of my bulk buyers. So this is a great shoe, a quick flip, and I've been able to get all of these pairs off of Dick's Sporting Goods thanks to Storm. Stormy is just absolutely killing it on Dick's Sporting Goods. Every night Discord is just flooded with checkouts. So this right here is a shoe that you will probably be seeing a lot of on the channel in unboxings and things like that. So shout out to Stormy and Live Proxies for being able to get me all these pairs of the chili mids. See if anything picks up. Okay, Swift Sole's out in the cart. Processing on Swift Sole. We checked out! Oh my gosh! We checked out on Swift Sole. We checked out. We checked out. We checked out, guys. Guys, we checked out. Checked out again! Guys, we checked out too. Guys, I cannot stress to you how crazy everything has been this morning. I woke up super late because I went to bed super late, trying to set everything up, barely got it done, and I woke up and DASHE wouldn't even open. Like, it would not open 1 minute before the drop. Literally 1 minute. I just got it to open. So all the boxes are finally open. The sale's about to go live. I'm extremely tired. I don't know if we're going to be able to do anything today or not. I will say, luckily, we do have our Quokka brew as always. So let's get into this release and just hope for the best, guys. I don't hear any Discord noise either, so hopefully we fix that. Here we go. Checked out, let's go. Checked out on DASHE. Checked out on DASHE, let's go, baby. We're hitting, we're heating up. Checked out again on DASHE, let's go. Y'all, DASHE is another one. Y'all, DASHE is $1,000 bot now. Y'all, DASHE is not messing around. Checked out on DASHE. You guys already know these are the boxes of the Jordan 1 mids, the chilies and the GS sizing. Shout out to Storm for getting these chili mids for us. Shout out to Storm, also Red Dirt Proxies, Live Proxies as always, Fatal Proxies, and then actually the hoodie that we're wearing right now, Joe Proxies. They all perform very well on DSG, and of course Storm performed really well on DSG. So shout out to those guys for 4 more pairs of the chili mids. That's gonna do it for this video, guys. I appreciate you guys for watching. You absolutely killed it on the last video. So thank you so much for the support. We're only probably like 15 subscribers away now from 1,000. So hopefully this video puts us over the top, and then I can announce my huge giveaway in the next video. But this coming week, we do have a lot of releases that we're looking forward to. On Monday, we have some Kobe's dropping on DSG, so we should be able to use Storm for that, although the stock number is 450 pairs, so we'll see how we can do on that. And then at the end of the week, we have some more releases. We have the Jordan 3 Georgetowns, and then also on Saturday, we have another Yeezy 350. So we'll be rolling out DASHE, we'll be rolling out Prism, and all of our YEEZYSUPPLY bots. So gonna be a big week for Resell. March is just a huge month overall, so it's gonna be a great month. Also, can't believe I forgot to mention, as you guys saw earlier in this episode, we were able to get 2 pairs of the Air Force Ones, the Supreme Air Force Ones that restocked on Supreme this past week, and Swift Sole once again hit for us. We were able to get a Nike hoodie this past Thursday on release day, and then we were able to get 2 pairs of the Supreme Air Force Ones off of restock. So once again, Swift Sole outperforming most of the YEEZYSUPPLY bots, so really cool, and we should be able to unbox all that on the next episode. But Once again, guys, thanks for watching the video. Please click that like button. It really helps push the video through YouTube's algorithm and gets it out there to more people. But hopefully we can get to that 1,000 mark so I can announce the giveaway. But until then, we will see you guys on the next one.